Hello and welcome to the Savera. This is Tinkle before you. In a setback for Arvind Kejriwal, Delhi High Court paused his release order in a corruption case related to Delhi liquor policy until the Delhi Enforcement Directorate's petition is heard. The ED today challenged Kejriwal's bail in the case just hours before his release from the Tihar jail. The ED mentioned its petition challenging the trial court order for an urgent hearing before a bench of Justice Sudhir Kumar Jain and Ravinder Dudeja. It said that the case file will come to it in 10-15 minutes and after that it will hear the matter. The High Court has said that till then the trial court order shall not be acted upon. Kejriwal's wife Sunita Kejriwal and Aam Aadmi Party leaders had planned to visit Tihar jail at 4 p.m. today to greet the Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. As per the Delhi court order, Kejriwal's release on a personal bond of 1 lakh rupees but imposed certain conditions before granting him the relief, including that he would not try to hamper the investigation or influence the witnesses. The court had accepted Kejriwal's argument that the probe agency has not presented enough evidence since arresting of the Delhi Chief Minister on March 21st this year. The bail plea comes after multiple rounds in the trial courts where Arvind Kejriwal has been denied the bail repeatedly. He has not stepped down as Delhi Chief Minister despite calls from the ruling Bharatiya Janata Party for his resignation. In May, the Supreme Court had issued interim bail to Kejriwal for the election campaigning. He returned to the prison 2 days before the results were declared for these Lok Sabha elections of 2024. The ED arrested Arvind Kejriwal over money laundering allegations while framing that Delhi liquor policy for 2021-22, which was later scrapped after the Lieutenant Governor raised the red flags. The ED has alleged that money Kejriwal got from the liquor sellers was used to fund the party's campaign in Goa since he is the convener of Aam Aadmi Party. Well, that's all for now. For more major updates, stay tuned to the Savera.